So how much money do you make from a video that gets viewed 1 million times? That's how much money you make, but I'm going to be going into detail about exactly how much money I just threw at you was, and I'll also be going into 3 little factors that will help you maximize the amount of money you make. Let's get it. Okay, so come here, I'm gonna give you a little secret. YouTube can make you a nice amount of money. I'm not complaining, but it's not my main source of income, but it is nice. I'll show you exactly how much money you can make from a video that gets viewed 1 million times coming up next. So how much did I get paid? I have one video that's done almost about 1 million views so far. How much did I actually make from it? Here's the number, $3,739.88. That's how much I made from one video upload that took me 15 minutes, okay? A 15-minute video made me $3,739. Now, not every video you upload is actually gonna make you that much money. I've uploaded about 200 videos on my channel so far, and most of them have made me jack. This one is the only one that made me the most amount of money. Now, overall, I make about $10,000 to $15,000 per month from YouTube. As I said, YouTube is not my main business. I do affiliate marketing and I teach others how to do affiliate marketing. First of all, I want to know who wants to be a YouTuber. Just say YouTuber in the comments below, because I'm sure it's associated with your channel. If you are a YouTuber, guys, support each other too. Usually if you post a link in the comments and you say, hey, I want to sub to sub, I delete it. I hide it, and if I see multiple things, I just block your commenting from the channel. I don't want spam like that on this channel. But this video, guys, if you're a YouTuber, type in YouTuber. You guys all sub for sub, sub each other, sub everybody in the comments. Let's get some support going on. Again, no like spamming like affiliate links or stuff on my channel, right? I'm the affiliate marketer here, no, not your affiliate links. I'll ban you. But yeah, check it out. Let me go into the 3 tips that you'll want to know in order to maximize the amount of money that you earn from YouTube. Now, the first one's pretty important. You want to choose a niche, and what niche you choose, I advise that you choose something that's, it's something you're passionate about. It's something you can talk about for days. I don't know if you know any friends like this or if you are this person, but if somebody gets you talking about, I don't know, environmentalism, or if somebody gets you talking about drapes or shoes or whatever it is, like liberal politicians or Donald Trump or whatever, you can just talk for hours. That's a good example of a topic you might want to choose as a niche, okay? Something you're knowledgeable about, something that you have information where you can help people learn something, where you can teach something, where you have more knowledge than most. And it could be anything. One of the biggest teaching channels is about rat traps and building wild animal traps. But the point being is that you won't make any money as a YouTuber for at least 6 months, okay? So plan on doing this for at least 6 months, more likely a year of daily uploads. 5 days a week, 180 days, right? Or 360, but you don't need to do weekends. But the point being, you need to do something that you can talk about no matter what, because you're gonna have to do, let's say, 220 videos a year. That's a lot of videos. And if you wanna be a YouTuber, if you can't commit to a year of daily uploads, you probably won't make it. So I would suggest you don't try. Find something else you're passionate about and that you can do for a long time. But YouTube is pretty cool. So let's check this out. Pick a niche that you can talk about. Second off, 10 minutes, over 10 minutes. Look at that. That's an over 10 minutes symbol. So that means do videos that are over 10 minutes. And there's a reason for that, is that YouTube does a few things. They put an ad in the beginning of your video, and they always put ads at the end of videos. But when your video is over 10 minutes long, they will put an ad in the middle of your video as well. Now, that third ad is good for your channel because, once again, it makes you more money. And keep in mind that Google or YouTube is getting 30% of whatever you earn, right? They take it off the top. So this is what I actually earned. But Google earned $1,300 from this video, okay? So Google earns more money as well. So the more money Google earns, the more they want to display your video and show it to more people, okay? Now, the last tip to getting a lot of money and high monetization from your videos is focus on solution-oriented channels. Doing channels around pranks is not gonna make you any money. Doing channels around gaming is not gonna make you any money. Doing channels around cats or dogs, not gonna make you any money. You might love your cat, but cat videos, there's no way, people like me are not gonna wanna buy ads on a cat video. I spend about $200,000 to $500,000 per month advertising on YouTube, and I'm not gonna buy ads on cat videos because people on cat videos are not looking, they don't have a problem where they are looking for a solution. And if somebody has a problem and they're looking for a solution, I can sell them a solution through my affiliate marketing links. I can't sell a solution to a cat video watcher. No, there's no problem there, okay? So focus on solution-oriented topics. For instance, if you did a video game review channel, right? There's a guy called Shoot 'em Ups or something like that. He only reviews video games. He doesn't actually play them. That could be an all right niche because it's obvious. If I'm looking for, I did a search the other day, I said top 10 RPGs for Nintendo Switch. I ended up buying Xenoblade, Legends of Zelda, The Wind, I forget what it is, the new Zelda on Switch. And by the way, for gamers here, let me know what your favorite games are or what your favorite console is right now, especially if you're doing RPGs. Let me know your favorite RPGs. I'm a huge RPG player. I got the Switch, I got it right over there. That could be good because if somebody's searching for top 10 RPGs for Nintendo Switch and you have a video around that, then you can obviously sell them video games, and video games cost a lot of money. So those are my 3 tips. If you are committed to being a YouTuber, guys, type in YouTuber in the comments below and sub each other. Guys, give each other some love. Don't usually give permission to do this, but I want to see everybody here become successful. I want us all to become successful together. Make sure if you're posting videos, add me as a friend on your channel or add me in your channel. You can add your channel friends in there. So add me as a friend in your channel so that I get more link love too. Feel free to, just talk about your affiliate marketing journey, whatever you do, but I'd love to be involved any way I can. I'm trying to build my channel as well. Talk to you soon. Go out there, shoot those videos. Daily upload, baby. Daily upload. 1 year. You can make a lot of money doing it. Quit your job. Live free, travel the world, buy new things, whatever you want to do. Take control of your life, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.